Today, I'm going to show you how to assemble a lithium battery pack for an electric vehicle using 1865-0 cells. This is a new national standard electric vehicle, 48 volts is enough. So today we are making a 48 volts 20 ampere hours lithium battery pack for EV. Let's get to it. This is a ternary 1865-0 cell with a single capacity of 2500 milliampere hours. The nominal voltage is 3.7 volts. So a total of 104 such cells will be needed. The cells are ready. After preparing the cells, attach barley paper to the positive and negative terminals of each cell. Okay, all the cells are installed on the bracket. Next, prepare the nickel strips for welding. Then let's spot weld. Next, choose a suitable BMS for the electric vehicle we're building today. Its controller's current limit is around 10 amps. So a 20 amps BMS is completely sufficient. However, we need to consider using a smart BMS. The minimum is 30 amps, so today we chose a lithium 13 series 48 volts 30 amps BMS. Let's plan the position of the BMS first. It's roughly here. Let's apply double-sided tape to help us secure the wiring harness. Remember, before soldering the wiring harness, do not plug in the BMS yet. The wiring harness is spot welded. Next, to connect the B wire of the BMS, we connect the blue wire of the BMS to the total negative terminal of the battery pack. Then check the conductivity of the BMS. After all the BMS are welded, plug in the wiring harness. Now we plug the wiring harness into the BMS. Let's first measure the voltage of the battery pack itself. Okay, it's 49.6 volts now. And the voltage after the BMS is still 49.6 volts here. Means the connection is fine, because we use a smart BMS. So we also plug in the Bluetooth module. The red wire we welded serves as the total positive terminal of the battery pack. These two wires serve as the main output. Next, it's time for packaging. Let's go cut the epoxy board. At this point, our battery is basically done. Next, we'll install it in the vehicle for testing. Now we connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery to the electric vehicle's positive and negative terminals. Let's see if it has power in a bit. Okay, the wires are connected. Let's see if it has power. It works! Installation successful. Look at the size of the battery compartment. Installing a 50 amps battery is definitely not a problem. The price of some electric vehicle battery packs is not low. Learning to assemble can save a lot. The key is that you feel more at ease using it yourself. Alright, that's all.